Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck, and today we'll be reviewing the DreamCloud Mattress. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jackson, and our heavyweight sleeper Neil. Setting up the DreamCloud mattress is quite easy, though we recommend enlisting help. Even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 12 to 24 hours. The DreamCloud is a well-constructed 15-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a mix of cashmere and polyester. The mattress's comfort layers consist of a 1/2 inch of gel-infused memory foam, 1 3/4 inches of quilted memory foam, a 1/2 inch of natural latex, a 1/4 inch of standard memory foam, which sits atop a 1/2 inch of 5 PCF memory foam. Its support core is made up of 8 inches of individually pocketed coils with a foam encasement and 1.5 inches of 5 PCF memory foam below. That's 8 unique layers working to give you better sleep. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction and tends to be uniform across each mattress type. We've placed the DreamCloud at a 6.5 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The DreamCloud is responsive and fairly bouncy, but without too much rebound. It doesn't conform to the body to a great degree, but is on par with most medium-firm hybrid mattresses. In the world of mattresses, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleepers' spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the DreamCloud provided good support for average and heavy sleepers, less so for lightweight sleepers given its firmness. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for co-sleepers, so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of the bed. We found the DreamCloud mattress exhibited good motion isolation, as shown by the water test Neil performed on the mattress. Edge support refers to how much a mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing showed the edge support on the DreamCloud to be a little lacking for a coil support core due to the perimeter not being reinforced. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the DreamCloud mattress provides adequate pressure relief, though very light sleepers may feel pressure in their shoulders or hips. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Though it uses dense foams in its comfort layers, the DreamCloud's coil support core helps to improve airflow, giving it good temperature neutrality. Now, let's review how the DreamCloud mattress stacked up in our testing. We've rated the DreamCloud good to very good for support across sleeper weights. The DreamCloud scored a good for motion isolation. Edge support gets a fair rating based on our testing. Pressure relief is very good for average and heavyweight sleepers and fair for lighter weight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality receives a good grade. Here are some key takeaways from our testing. Lightweight sleepers may find the bed too firm, leading to more pressure in the shoulder and hip areas of the body. Even with multiple foam layers, there is no significant contouring, so those who like their bed to hug them may want to look for a different mattress. We recommend this mattress for those who sleep on their back or stomach, and for those who suffer from chronic pain in their back, shoulders, or hip region. Ultimately, the DreamCloud is a quality hybrid mattress at a very reasonable price point. If you are considering the DreamCloud, the mattress comes with a generous trial period. You can rest easy as you safely test the mattress for up to 1 year to ensure it's the right fit. The mattress ships free in the contiguous US and comes with a lifetime warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com to read the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from one of our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Sleep well.